Dear friends, we dream of applying this idea in the forgotten villages. It is about an exciting project for forgotten villages. Here we are talking about how to prepare a village for silk production from silkworms. 1. Education and training. Organize workshops or training sessions to educate villagers about sericulture, silk farming, including the life cycle of silkworms, mulberry cultivation, and silk harvesting techniques. 2. Infrastructure development. 2.1 Mulberry cultivation. Identify suitable land for growing mulberry trees, which are the primary food source for silkworms. 2.2 Rearing houses. Construct proper rearing houses that provide a controlled environment for silkworms, protecting them from pests and adverse weather. 3. Resource allocation. 3.1 Censure access to water for irrigation and maintaining humidity levels in rearing houses. 3.2 Provide necessary tools and equipment for silk production, such as trays for rearing silkworms and equipment for spinning silk. 4. Financial support. Seek funding or grants from government programs or NGOs to support the initial investment in sericulture. 5. Market research. Conduct market analysis to determine potential buyers for raw silk and silk products, ensuring a viable market for the produced silk. 6. Community engagement. Involve the community in planning and decision-making to ensure collective commitment and support for the project. 7. Sustainability practices. Promote sustainable agricultural practices to minimize environmental impact and ensure the longevity of mulberry plantations. 8. Quality control. Establish quality control measures to maintain high standards for silk to compete in the market. To make a dynamic, realistic production, you can make an organization between work groups as making each family group responsible for a certain task. Then set up the financial rules to enable the groups to deliver their production to the next group, and so on, until the final factory that received the raw silk from the groups. In this scope, the production needs a separate entities who make spinning and weaving, and the sequential production system based on the exchange of interest between different groups.
The more the state supports such projects by facilitating procedures, simplifying processes, reducing taxes, and minimizing bureaucratic obstacles, the more these projects will enter the market to support and develop it. Similarly, the more advanced the organization and coordination of supply chains, the more successful these projects will be in accessing the global market. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and share our videos to publish the positive developing ideas.